Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred. Today we'll make mango float trifle. So this is something that we make in the Philippines. It's basically our version of a tiramisu from what I remember. And because it's the Burr months, the Philippines is going crazy for sure for Christmas, and I will too. So ta-da! So here are our separate bowl, pour in your condensed milk. You could add in a lot of condensed milk really if you want to. If you want it to be overly sweet, it's up to you. But make things in moderation, I think, to make things a bit more balanced. And now I'm just pouring it a bit more because I am Filipino, so I like sweet things. I will put that there, and the next thing I will do is to put in the mango puree that I chopped up. It's not really pureed, but it's cut enough. So I'll add that to the condensed milk. And what we're going to do as well is we're going to add a little bit of the cream first. So this is a folding method. If you've seen Schitt's Creek, I think Moira and David had an episode where they were trying to fold cheese, but they don't know what folding is. So this is basically what folding is. So folding usually is a 3-step process where you gently mix in your aerated cream or mixture so that it's not gonna knock off the air. So the first step is usually going quite hard. That you can see, and just like wrap it up like this so that we can use it later. So this is how you want it to be. You just find a band, not a band-aid, like a rubber band. You don't want a band-aid for this one, but a rubber band will be very good. And just wrap it and put it in the fridge before you pipe it in. So it's time for us to build our mango float trifle. You have our mangoes, you have our cream, we have here our crackers. So you can use whatever crackers you want, but here we're using Graham crackers. This is something that we use in the Philippines a lot, especially for mango float. And it's just any biscuits that's sweet that will work for mango float. Really, even a cake would work. But yeah, I seriously just found this in a Filipino store here in Melbourne. And let's open it up. And because our cup here is circular, we need to crush our biscuits, so because they're rectangular, so you want to press them down on the bottom. Make sure that you give it an evenly kind of like placing on it, so that anywhere you place your spoon you get crackers. And here is our bag of cream, mango and vanilla extract, and condensed milk. So you want to remove the tip and just pipe it inside. So this method makes your life easier, especially for building. If you don't have a piping bag, you have a Ziploc bag or any strong plastic bag that looks similar to this one that you can put it on. And now we put in our mango slices. We want to layer it around. You don't want to be cheap on it, so you want to put a fair bit of mangoes per layer because that makes a difference. It makes it really, really good. And you just want to continue building it up again, and then you put in your crackers on top and do the same thing over and over and over again. Biscuit, mango, biscuit, cream, mango, and everything else. So here is a faster speed. Time to decorate. So the remaining mango slices, we're going to turn it into mango rosettes for the top bit to make it look so pretty. So what you want to do is grab a slice, put it on the edges of the mug, and then overlap it around, going in the circle. So that way it creates a petal effect. So you want to keep going on that bit. So I'm going to put in a faster speed so that it doesn't take too long. And look at that, it's actually looking like a rosette. So keep going until you cover the very top bit, and voila, mango float trifle. So the recipe will be down below the description. If you like it, please click like and subscribe. Time to eat.